Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. We're doing some wings tonight, guys. We're battling rain in the area, and it's going to be raining for the next 3 days. And I got a dry point and do something a little quicker. I got some wings I'm going to marinate for a couple of hours, get them on the Weber kettle here in a little bit. And yes, I'm doing my intro inside just because there's a lot of noise outside, and a lot of people celebrating the Memorial Day holiday. And yeah, it is what it is. Guys, let me show you what we're doing. It's going to be real simple, fairly quick cook. I'm going to get some smoke on these and grill them off at the end. You've probably seen a video similar to this in the past, so let me show you what we're doing. Alright guys, this is about 2.5 pounds of wings. They were frozen. I thawed them out just for this occasion. And yeah, it's just Mama and I tonight, so this small amount is going to be just perfect. This I've had for some time, and I actually don't remember why I bought it. I'm going to assume I bought it to do some wings, so that's what we're going to do today. This is a bottle of sugar-free, and you guys know, watch me, you know I've been kind of not using as much sugar as I used to. But this is sugar-free G Hughes Smokey Mesquite Marinade. I've never used it, so I'm kind of anxious what that's going to taste like. And if you're one who needs to be gluten-free, this is also gluten-free. So yeah, I know I have some friends who have to be sugar-free, so no choice in the matter. Put the whole bottle in. That air out. We're gonna mix this up and put it in the fridge for, I don't know, a couple hours before dinner. Alright, I got about an hour and a half maybe on that marinade. It should be plenty. I'm just coming in here, I pulled them out, I drained off the marinade, and I'm just patting some of that excess marinade off. I'm not worried about getting all of it, but we're gonna get some of it off before we get it on the grill. And I'm gonna hit this up with a little extra seasoning. Alright, you've seen me use the Fireball seasoning from Weber, and you've seen me use the Buffalo Trace seasoning from Weber. Here's the other one they got out. It is Southern Comfort seasoning. I can't imagine that not being good on these mesquite marinated wings. So let's give her a shot, other end, and to see how we do. It actually pours pretty good. Get these flipped over and we'll hit the other side. Guys, we're just waiting for this grill to come up, and hopefully we can dodge the raindrops. If not, we'll relocate to the garage area. We're gonna get some wings cooked. Alright, my top charcoals are ashing over pretty good. I think we're very close here. Alright guys, typical 2-zone fire here. Get our grates on, bring this thing up to temp. Guys, we are going in direct to start. still pretty hot. There you go. All right. And just because I can, I'm gonna throw some mesquite wood in here and get a little smoke going. We'll check back here in just a bit. And folks, we've been on about 30 minutes. I'm gonna give you things a flip. And I might throw a little bit more wood on there, but I'm gonna check some temps just to see where we are. I don't think we're there yet, but let me check a few. Yeah, we're closer than I thought. 158, 160. I'm gonna throw a little bit more wood on here. I'm looking, my target temp is 185, but I'm going to pull these off here in a few and just grill them off. Matter of fact, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and do that. We're so close. We got a little smoke on them. Alright guys, let's start grilling. Oh, definitely. It's gonna go quick now, guys. Gonna go quick. Lots of turning. We'll check back here in just a couple minutes. While we're here, I'm gonna hit this up with just a little bit more of that Southern Comfort seasoning. Come back in just a minute. Okay, just been a couple minutes. Look at there. Oh man, we're starting to already get there. It don't take them long when we get to this point. It's awful dark. That's all right. We'll pull it back here in a second. Hot fire, hot fire. Just because. Alright. We'll have to move that in here in a minute. We'll start rotating around here shortly. Alright, we'll keep a close eye on this and we'll turn them again here in a second. Alright guys, we're finishing up here. That fire is so hot. Definitely. Guys, I'm gonna get these inside, get Mama fed. I think we're about done with all of them. Definitely. Yes, let's get them all inside and go inside and give us a taste test. Alright guys, let's plate these guys up here. I admit I got them a little darker than what I intended. They're not dunner than what I intended, but yeah. A few of these guys on here. Plated up pretty good. We're roughing it tonight, guys. You see our fine china? Alright. We also whooped up some little frozen waffle fries. Keeping it simple, which is kind of the norm around here. And if you're gonna have waffle fries, you gotta have some Chick-fil-A sauce, right? But let's look at the star of the show, the wings. Smokey Mesquite. I added some extra smoke. Let's get this on in there. Tell you what, it got warm over that fire. Let's give this a try, guys. That's a beautiful wing. I want to taste this. There's some good flavor there. From that Southern Comfort from Mesquite. I got a little bit of the smoke. Little trunks where I got the skin a little darker than I intended, but that's okay, it's good. Let's go on with some ranch dressing. Kind of my norm. Pretty good. I bought that marinade a while back, and I don't even remember what I bought it for, but this is what we used it on tonight, guys. That was really good. You know what, just for kicks and grins, I got this little one here and some of that Chick-fil-A sauce. Give it a shot. Alright. I won't turn it down. Guys, thank you as always. I enjoy doing these videos for you. Cheers to you guys. I really enjoy doing these videos for you. It's always fun, but it did get warm out there tonight, but you know what? It's part of being this time of year. So guys, as always, thank you very much. I'm gonna be bringing you every Saturday morning, and I'll try to get you some extra ones whenever we can. But every Saturday morning we post a new video. We premiere at 9 a.m. every Saturday. Try to anyway. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.